Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the Ringr57 YouTube channel. Today we start loading up. I am planning to close in 2 days on the new house, so I'm getting things loaded up, prepared. The house is packed through and through, got bare necessities, and we made a purchase. So the content of the channel is going to shift slightly. We're going to move away from drag racing, which is a money pit, and more into repair, which is a money maker. So you may recognize this 600. This is a individual down the roads bike. It has a blown motor. I did find an engine. I actually have to go pick up a whole bike to get the engine, but hey, it works. So this is loaded up. It's going to be one of the first things to go, and it's also going to be one of the first things on the new bike lift. We're going to set up the garage as a full shop, be able to rock and roll, kick some stuff out. First thing will be this. I'm going to drop a motor out, roll it off the lift, off to the side, heave hose somehow a total GSX R600 onto the lift, drop the motor out, strip that bike completely down and box it up for the individual and return what's left to him. And then we're going to go ahead and bolt that engine up into this chassis. Once we get it in, running, cooling system checked, everything working as it should, we'll go ahead and get the plastics on it, test ride it, fix his brake that scares the crap out of me and his handlebar grip that scares the crap out of me, and anything else that scares the tar out of me, including this chain that is severely misadjusted, and we'll get it back to him. After that, I have a project bike that I'm picking up this weekend. That'll be nice. That'll be another bit of content for you guys to get to see that thing go from wrecked, tipped over. It was laid over and it cracked a cover and a few other things, to a beautiful rider for anyone who wants to buy it. That one will be going up for sale. That's a flip bike. So this is what we're doing. This is where we're at. The next video will be covering the work I've done to the house and getting moved in, and then from there we'll just start into the content. Probably be weekish. We'll be posting up the video with that one. But just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know I'm still alive. Later.